So, what's up beautiful people, welcome back to another stunning video of tech revealer. And guys, in this video we're gonna talk about an interesting smartphone which is the all new Realme Narzo 11, and this is a quite interesting smartphone. As we know, Realme always believe in making the cheapest smartphone in the best price range possible, and in this smartphone we also get to see some of the best features in the low-range smartphones of 2020. And further in the video we will talk about its basic specifications such as camera, design, battery, etc, and hope you'll enjoy our today's video. So first of all, let's start our video with its camera. The phone will be releasing with an interesting camera setup, with its quad camera setup, which will contain a 64 megapixel main lens, which is improved and somehow managed to take out some of the best pictures, and other sensors include ultra depth and micro shot. And from this camera you can easily take out sharp, crisp and clear photography. And on the front we get to see a 24 megapixel punch hole set front facing camera, which is best for video calling and talking selfies. And now let's move on to the performance. The phone will be coming with a MediaTek Helio G90 chipset with 6/8/10 gigabytes of RAM, and this will contribute to an incredible gaming experience along with its smooth multitasking performance. And now let's see about the display. The phone will be releasing with the 6.5 inches less bezel IPS LCD type display with 60Hz refresh rate, which will make the display eye-catchy at side view angles. And the storage capacity is also insane, as we get to see a 64/128 gigabytes of internal storage, which is expandable up to 512 gigabytes with the micro SD card, and a 6000 mAh battery is also provided with fast charging. And now let's move on to the security. The phone will be coming with a side mounted fingerprint scanner, which is quick, fast and reliable. And now let's finally talk about the price and launch date. The phone will be coming with an interesting price range of from 120 till 150 US dollars, 20,000 till 24,000 PKR, and 10,000 till 11,000 Indian rupees. And the launch date is suspected to come around January of 2021. So guys, this is all about the Realme Narzo 11, and this is a quite interesting smartphone which will impress the users who usually prefer low range smartphones. And don't forget to share your own thoughts in the comment section. So that's for today. If you like our video, then please subscribe and press the notification bell for more videos, and we will see you soon in another video. Till that time, take care, see you soon. Allah Hafiz.